Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to set up your Raspberry Pi to be accessible across the network. Depending on what OS you use on your Pi, you may find that you have to manually set it up for the network access. This is certainly the case for Raspbian OS, which is what I'll be using for this video. So let's start setting up network access. Log into your Pi using the default Pi account. First, perform an update by typing sudo apt update. You'll see the Pi updating. Now that it's done, install the networking software by typing the text you see on the screen. Make sure everything is lowercase and spelled correctly. Software for networking is now installed. We now need to set up a folder we want to share from the Pi. There's a project I'm working on that will require me to copy music to my Raspberry Pi over the network. So in the home directory, I'm going to create a folder called music. To do this, type mkdir music. After the folder is created, we have to edit a file that tells the Pi to share it across the network. To edit this file, type sudo nano /etc/samba/smb.conf. When the file is open, scroll all the way down to the bottom and type the text you see on the screen. I will also have this in the description. The first line, which has music in brackets, specifies the name of the folder someone will see when accessing the Pi from the network. The second line is the location of the folder inside the Pi. The rest of the lines specify whether a network user can create and delete files in the folder. Now we need to create a network account and password for the Pi account. Do this by typing the text you see on the screen. Again, make sure everything is lowercase and spelled correctly. You're going to be asked to enter a new network password. This password is different from the one they use to log into the Pi, but I suggest you keep it the same. Go ahead and enter the password and confirm it. Finally, we need to also set local permissions on the music directory. Let's make sure we're on the Pi account's home folder by typing cd // And to set permissions, type chmod 777 music. So for the changes to take effect, we need to restart the Pi. Restart it by typing sudo space reboot. Network access is now done. Now, to access the Pi from another Windows computer, open up a folder. And in the address bar, type // Pi. You will now be asked for the Raspberry Pi's username and password, so type it in, and you're connected. Here, you can see the music folder I shared. Let me copy song files to it to make sure I have those permissions. And it's working. And that's a way of setting up networking access in a Raspberry Pi. Was this video useful? If so, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll speak to you next time.